Alright, class, does anyone know the answer? How about you, Jamal? Nah. Man, I don't know. Well, you should have been paying attention. Nah, Jit, tripping. I should have been paying attention? Wait, didn't your wife leave you? Oh. That's why you be mad every day in class, huh? Jit don't care. Look, Jamal, I didn't mean that, alright? Calm down. No, I should have been paying attention. But why weren't you paying attention when your wife was cheating on you, huh? Oh, nah, Jit went too far. Hey, man, just relax. No, I should have been paying attention. But wasn't your son born deaf? Oh. Tell him to go listen to my mixtape. I bet he can't hear it. Nah, Jit don't even rap. And how he's gonna listen to the mixtape if he can't even hear it?